Do you know that some of the problems we have now are because of our parents and our grandparents? There are things they never addressed, they never talked about. But we end up, as children, we end up paying the price. There are parents who have stayed in marriages where they are hurting each other and the children are watching. Eventually, some of the children have decided never to get married. Do you have children like that in your house? They are adults, they are 27, 35, and they tell you they will never get married. No, you don't have to get married if you don't want to. Singugi wa Thiong'o said, I will marry when I want. Get married when you want. But I'm just saying, there are some children, because of the pain they have observed, they just say that they will never get married. My sons are still young. They are not at the age of marriage yet. But anytime we talk about it and they say, if I ever marry, and I ask, what do you mean if you ever marry? They say not marrying is an option. I say, okay, tell me more about it. Then I say, oh, but you know it's important to get married. They say, so what has your marriage helped you with? So tell us, you got married. What has your marriage helped you? I say, my marriage has helped me because now I have you. And they say, oh, so you think we like it being here? Is that a benefit to us? So I say, oh, okay, I see. I'm just saying. So there are some young people who have decided not getting married because of what they have seen in the lives of their parents. Some have gotten married, and at the first sign of trouble, they leave. Because they saw their parents kuvumilia to the point of almost killing each other. So for them, the first sign of trouble, they don't want to talk about things. They just run away. Haven't you seen that? I've seen young people get married in the church. By the time they are celebrating their first wedding anniversary, they are already divorced. And you're asking, divorced, legally divorced completely. And I'm saying, 1 year, before a few months, then they just say, hey, me, I don't want to suffer like my mother or like my father. Me, si wakuvumilia club. And some of the reasons they are giving, you are wondering, okay, if everybody was to run away from a marriage because of that, everybody will run away because those are common things. But at that point, they don't see it that way. So if there's something you did not address as a parent, your child will address it, okay? So you need to address it. There are some of us as mothers, we conducted abortions. You are so silent, you don't talk about it. Now your children are aborting left, right, and center. Some of them are even getting children as teenagers because you never addressed that issue. You kept quiet in shame, and now your children have had to deal with it.
Get the point. Take a step forward.